what's up? I'm at Daikoku photo. So Daikoku is one of the best place for car meets for years and years with the Midnight Club. I just shot this car. It looks crazy. So cool. The wheels, the stance, the way it sits. Cedric. Oh, I love it. Check out the green thing down here. Look at that. That looks crazy. Anyway, they shut down early, so I got here early, and then they were just showing up. So, what is that? Oh yes, wide body. V36 wide body slammed, and then MR2 3000 Mitsubishi. What else? So far, there's a MX-5 there. There's a 992 there. I gotta go around and see what's up there. There's a cool Z down there. So this is a Liberty Walk kit on a V36 or a Skyline. Slammed. It's touching the ground. He's the owner. He knows the people I know. And yeah, it looks crazy. That's a cool Z. Giant wing. Looks cool. I like the plate number. STI. Another 350Z. This is a DE. To be abused with drifting. And that's HRZ. I like HRZs. I want to get one. Endless brakes. I don't know, wheels too dark. I don't know, I can't read that shit. Looks crazy. It's an Infiniti. That's the V36. He cracked his wheels or something, so he got the wide wheels in front. He ordered a new one. New ones. So this Z is a lady-driven HR. That's the owner right there. There's a debate, is that a 3000 GTO or FTO? No one knows that car here. It's a V6, it's cool. That's a CRZ MR2. I want to hear it go. That one was a Z, and that's the new 86. This is a crazy chaser, slam, set rev car, wide fenders. It looks been abused. It looks cool though. I like chasers. They're like Beamers, but Japanese. Those cars are here. This is a Rocket Bunny Z.
サイドマーカー取れてたっす。民家落ちてます。
Got a massive wing. Oh, look at those fenders. That's a big wang. That's his buddy. That looks so cool. '86 plate matching with the car's name. This is Arthur 3 GTR Midnight Purple. The white 86 is his brother. It's a GTR. Yeah, it's a GTR. That looks good. All wheels. I think the race. So this is something in the culture of the car culture in Japan. Trucks with lights. They have a name, but I can't figure out the translation. Whoa. It looks cool though, right? Yeah. That's the artwork. It's not a phoenix, is it? What is it? I don't know. I know this thing. It looks familiar. Look at the wheels. Ah, more. So those are kaido racers. They're famous. It's a 280Z or 240Z. What is that? Is that a 240Z or 280Z?
240.
That thing is loud. And that thing is cool. There's another one there. You can hear them before they show up. This is a 280Z slammed, static. The other one is a 240Z. Sounds cool. Of course, stickers. And that's the back. Datsun Lifestyle. That's another one there. This is a slammed Lexus. I think it's an LS400. Looks cool. That's a FC RX-7 convertible. Check out the exhaust on this. Woo! Right? Where's the other one? Yeah. I've never seen a convertible RX-7 FC. I think he's leaving now. Sounds crazy. It looks mean. I say Tasha 86. We're gonna check out the R35 wide body Liberty Walk. It's in green. This is a Liberty Walk R35. They always look cool. They're so wide. Look at that. So wide. This is a Chaser with wheels. What wheels are those? Do you know? No center caps also. Why is no center caps? Every car no center caps. That's an STI there. V36, another one with no grill. Woo!
This is not Chaser, Crest.
Oh, Cresta?
Yeah.
It looks like a Chaser.
Yeah. Front.
Oh, only
Yeah.
the front, yeah. Oh, that's the Chaser. Looks crazy. The wing is just whoa. Look at that wing. LB Works. All the stickers. This is the new Z400 is here. And that's an S15 Liberty Walk drift car. Up. So wide. So at the opening, Liberty Walk. There's a Tesla and there's a Porsche behind that car. Taking photos for Silvia. There's so many cars more now. I don't even know where to start. But yeah, my phone is about to die. I gotta go back at one point somehow. It's another 86. More racers. This is a Porsche. There's another 992 in green and in white somewhere here. The place is filling up slowly or more than slowly. And Japanese Camaros and Hellcats. Oh, what is that? It looks cool. I think it's a Scotland sedan, Shaw 1. It's not a sedan, that's a coupe version. We call those Cressidas back home. Pretty famous down here. Hako. Hakos are becoming very expensive. That's Porsche Leben. Look at that thing. It's a show car for the magazines. Been posted before. Swift. They're all like getting signatures down there. So this is how the place looks. Wide view of it. There was an NS6 here somehow, somewhere. Oh, nowhere. It's a Lotus. Is that a Lotus? It's not a Lotus. So this is a wider view of the whole place. It's RX-7, F-150. It's in the middle of the highway and you can only get here by car. So yeah, you don't want to know how I got here. There was an NS6. I don't know where. Oh yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave now.